Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gaurav and you're watching me on Log On to Gaurav. तो इस वीडियो में actually I'm not creating thumbnail for my video. I'm creating thumbnail for Gia's video, which is going to come soon. Probably it has already come. You can check the link. So it's about Parashar Lake, and I'm going to make thumbnails of that video because we keep on changing the thumbnail. We keep on trying which thumbnail works best. So we are going to make 2-3 iterations of thumbnail which you guys will find catchy. That's our aim basically. Let's get started. So basically there are 2-3 ways to make thumbnail. You can take a photo from a video if that video is interesting, or if you already have a photo then that's also good. Gia's video is going to be from very different perspectives, so you guys should see that video, and if you haven't seen mine then of course I'll request you guys to see mine as well. तुमने मुझे भेजा क्या photo? By the way, she's there in the background working on some part 2, I think. I don't know. She has mailed me. So actually I have a folder named Gia YouTube videos where I have been making thumbnails for her. This is one of the photos she sent. So I'm going to open that photo in Photoshop. So first of all, I have to correct the ratio of it. So by default it is 16:9. That's the ratio for YouTube videos. But I would like her to be standing at 1/3, the rule of thirds you can say. So I would like her to be standing there. We will keep on trying so there's no load. Make the copy of it, and first of all I'll look for the space in the image where I can put the text. And first of all I'll go with the decent thumbnail that I like, but you guys don't always like the decent thumbnail. You guys like some catchy thumbnail, so we'll try to explore how we can make it catchy. But first of all I'll do it my way, the way I like it, and that way is just to put the name of the location in a good font. Yeah, that's it. So I'll select the text tool, place it here, and the font color I keep it white. So here is our text. I can put it here, but there are a lot of white background, so this white text is not quite visible. If I can put it upward somewhere, I can bring her in front by hiding this text from there. And Parashar Lake 1 वगैरह कुछ लिखना है क्या? Part 1 लिखना है. So let's work a little bit on the image. मोटा मोटी हमने decide कर लिया है कि how and where we're gonna put the text. So let's enhance the image a little bit. So first of all I'll apply my color alert. It's a alert I mostly use to give a little richness in the photo, which sometimes is generally too much, so I reduce the opacity of the layer, maybe 25%. I always give my thumbnails vignette, so it keeps the focus of the viewer towards the center, and I don't use the vignette tool properly for it, but I do it using the brush because I don't want it all the way around. I just want it at the bottom. So I just use the brush with hardness to 0% and size whatever selected, and then very far away I'll apply this. Actually I'm using left hand, so it's been quite difficult for me to use the brush. Now if it's too much you can reduce the opacity of this layer as well. Yeah, so this is our thumbnail so far, but it is not catchy. I think Parashar Lake को हम side by side लिखने की जगह we can bring the lake down like this, or maybe she has sent another photo and I could try that. You have to keep on trying with different images what looks good, and I generally make 2-3 thumbnails and keep them with me, and I keep on trying with after some time I change the thumbnail if the video doesn't perform that good. So yeah, this is the another image, and again I'll make it in the correct ratio, and I'll try to keep her at 1/3 the image. That will give us equal room for the text and giving equal frame to her. So well lit image in itself. The image is very good, but let's see if we can do anything. If we can make it more attractive. I think I want to make this grass a little bit more greener and maybe sky a little more blue. For that I'll change the tint of the grass because right now it's brown, and I'll hue and saturation. I can select on this color here, which it automatically selects yellow, and I'll change the quantity of yellow in it to make it a little greener. Yeah, this much green. So it was not that green, but for thumbnail you have to do so that you guys come and watch it. Click on it. That's clickbait. What to do about it? But I just wanted to, you know, affect this portion or maybe the mountains of this image affected by hue. So I'll mask the other things. So I click on the mask layer and then I select the brush tool, and with black color and some reduced size of the brush, I'll mask. Actually, it didn't affect the rest of the image because rest of the image didn't contain yellow color, so I don't even have to mask it. And as far as blues are concerned, I'll put another hue and saturation layer, and by myself I'll select blues and we'll try no, not good. The natural blue colors, maybe +2 seems fine. I will increase the saturation of it. Yes, it's looking quite unnaturally lit image, but what to do, guys? Now on it, I'll again put the text in my favorite font as of now. By the way, Parashar spells P-R-A-S-H-A-R or P-A-R-A-S-H-A-R. Some people, you will find video where they have put P-R-A-S-H-A-R, like Parashar Lake, Parashar. But I think it's Parashar Lake. There is A after P. I like to make it white, but again I'm going to put it against the sky, so white will be a little bit difficult to manage, but we'll see. इसमें थोड़ा सा vignette देते हैं selective. For doing that, I put a new layer and use my brush tool and black color with 0 hardness. I just zoom out a little bit and then I make brush even bigger so that I have a soft touch, and I click outside the image so that only diffused color goes inside. Very diffused, very slightly diffused. And this image looks fantastic for for the first try to put it on YouTube. Should I put the text behind her? Let's even try that also. There's no cost of trying it other than your time, but that will substantially hide the content. Let's see how it looks. So I'll put a mask layer to the text, and then I'll roughly hide the text. Not putting too much effort in it right now, just like this. Maybe more smaller as the brush is very diffused. So if I do this much, zoom out. Parashar, actually it's hiding some text also. It won't make it clear like which lake I'm talking about, so I think it's better to keep it above, because as such there is also so much room. I'll bring back the text and move the text layer up. This seems to be a good starting thumbnail because I like the decent thumbnail in which the location is there, so this looks good. And for the second decent thumbnail, I'll make this. Okay, I'll write Parashar Lake in the same style in the sky, and we'll start off with these 2 thumbnails and we'll see how the video performs. Here I can hide the L from her head because that won't affect it much. As far as the color of the text is concerned, I think I'll have to make it black as well because it's against a very dark. For hiding the L, I'll create a mask layer and black brush. Zoom a little bit. It's quite diffuse, so I'll increase the hardness a little bit, maybe half, 50%. Carefully removing the text from her face. That's it. Not quite much. You don't have to put too much effort into it. So this is the second thumbnail. For starters, guys, tell me which thumbnail you liked more, this one or this one. So that was all, guys, and this is how I make thumbnails. And one more job is left. I have to make thumbnail for this video as well, which I'll make and which you already know what I made. So that was all, guys. You can check the Gia's video. It must be live by now. Click on the link above where you can find her video. Yeah, we have my version of the video as well of Parashar Lake. There are 2 parts. Basically, there are 3 parts, and first and second part, they are very interesting. You go and check them out. I suggest you explore the other videos of the channel, which are very interesting, which are on various places. So that was all, guys. See you in the next video.